Create a new canvas. Click on Create Now button. We use A4 size canvas. Canvas is ready to work. Click on Adjustment icon. And click on a solid color. I'll choose a black color and you can choose any color what you want. Now we will add the image, on which we want to make the effect. Duplicate the image and do rasterized image. Apply motion blur effect. I will increase the value 253. Take text tool and type what you want. And rotate the text vertically.
I don't wanna admit I'm better on my own, better on my own. You say we're not meant for each other. I'm not sure of this. I won't give up on this, I won't give up. Cause I don't wanna behave like the one to flee, like the one to leave. I never surrender, but ever remember my lover. Did you give up on me? Have you never learned to listen?
I will adjust the text a little bit.
Think it better go someplace I don't know, 'cause I got your picture on my want us to be one.
And effect is ready. If you found this video informative, then please subscribe the channel and like the video. And share the video with your friends.
Thank you.